to your own show. Let's learn together with Kartavya how to make a F15. So let's start today's video. At the end, your plane will look like this. So you see, and we would be needing a scissor, and we would be needing an A4 sheet. So let's keep it aside and let's take a A4 sheet. So I have taken a A4 sheet. So now first of all, fold this into half. And you know the first rule of how to make an aeroplane. The creases should be correct and equal, and they should be strong. So now take it like this. And this is an F15, so it doesn't go straight. It goes rolling and rolling and rolling. So it is quite fun to watch it flying. And when you fly it, you know, it looks amazing. So I made it for you guys so that you also make this and have fun. So now just pick it like this. And you know the rule, creases should be correct and equal and strong. So everyone, if you want any origami which you don't know how to make, or any craft which you don't know how to make, tell me in the comment section. I will read it out and tell you how to make it. So now just open this, and you know the rule, the creases should be correct. And now comes the tricky part. So firstly, touch this pocket and pull it like this, and touch here. So the plane should be like, the rules should be correct. If they are correct, the plane will fly amazing. It will be amazing. So when I also learned how to make aeroplanes, I also tried a lot, and I didn't came to an outcome. So I was saying, what is that plane? But then I got it that the creases and that should be right. So now I make the creases correct, and you will be also good in these things in some time. So do it like this and like this. So you see, a plane has been made like this shape. So it looks amazing, as I said in the beginning of the video. So now just pull this thingy here, this thingy here. So guys, if you don't make it in a you can't make it in a first time, you have to keep practicing, and you can't make it in first time. It's quite tough to make in the first time. So no need to panic. You have to try, and one day you will be a plane master. So do it like this. Yeah, so you see, and one more step is done. So now pull this part to here. So now you see it is looking like this. Pull this area like this as we're doing all the plane, but in here we are doing it like opposite. So you see, it is forming like this, and now to this part here, and now do you see this thing peeping out? Yeah, this is a feature of this plane, and it looks amazing when it flies. And so you see, yeah, it is looking incredible. No, not now. One step is left. Take the scissors and just chop area like this. Congratulations, viewers. You have made a F16 successfully. So thank you everyone. Hope you like my videos. Like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.